March 20th, 2017. What I have here is my grill going. We got a little bit of hickory and oak wood on there. And what I have in here are roasted or dried peppers. You get these at Walmart. Chili peppers. Some slivered garlic in there and some oregano. There's 3 ounces of cumin seed in there. And this has been on here for about 20 minutes, half hour. Oh, there's a couple ghost peppers in there too. Those are going to add some heat. If you know anything about ghost peppers, oh man, this stuff smells so good. It is unbelievable. Get the slivered garlic in there. It's been roasted for a little while, so it's starting to dry up. It's really dry right now in Florida. We've got an unusual dry spell coming through. There's another ghost pepper right there. That's going to add the heat. You can see the kosher salt in there, cumin seeds, some slivered garlic. There's maybe about not even a quarter cup of oregano in there, Greek oregano, organic oregano. Oh man, this stuff smells so good. It is just unbelievable. And I'm going to throw that in my grinder and grind the living bejeebus out of it for, man, I want to take a bite out of that. Oh, man, it just smells so good, you can't believe it. Fire roasted chili powder. Cut.